It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, power tilting steering column, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,